Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the iPhone 10. I know this is quite a late time to unbox this powerful phone, but since I had it in my hand, so I thought why don't I make an unboxing video. Anyways, putting all the things aside, let's unbox this phone. So here on the front you have the iPhone 10 logo and you will also have Apple certified pre-owned. This is because this particular phone is a refurbished phone and it is certified refurbished by Apple. So this is not a brand new phone, but it is brand new in a way, but it is refurbished by Apple. Anyways, here on the top we have the Apple logo, on the bottom as well, and here on the back we have some of its specification. The color is space gray and it's 64 GB and all the other things. So let's just open it. I have already removed the plastic wrapping, unfortunately, because of the custom things when I bought it from the other country. Anyways, let's open it. So here you will have your booklets first and then your phone, designed by Apple in California. So if I open it, here you will have your SIM ejection tool as well as some documents, hello booklet, and also your Apple stickers. So in the hello booklet it will show you some of the features that they have on this new iPhone 10, and here is the phone itself. So putting a phone aside, I will first see what's in the box. So here we have our usual charger to charge our iPhone. So this does not support fast charging, unfortunately. Apple doesn't provide one. Here we have the earpods with the lightning connector, and we also have this converter as well. If you happen to have any old 3.5mm headphones, you can connect it here and the other side will go to your iPhone. And if I show you on the side, you can see that these new earpods only have the lightning connector to connect to your iPhone, so that's why they have given you this converter. And other than that, you have your usual lightning cable, USB to lightning cable. Nothing too fancy here on the box. So let's move towards the phone. So here you can see the front, your full screen with the sensors and cameras and mic as well on the top. On the back, the space gray color with the iPhone branding. So let me just power it on. The Apple logo, so it's powering on. So I'm just quickly going to set up and enter all the details of my Apple ID, and then I will come back. So after setting up my Apple ID, you can see the iPhone in its inner side. You no longer have your home button, you have the sensors on the front. So let me just show you the back camera as well. You can see its result. It's really awesome with the 2x telephoto zoom as well. So nothing too fancy here, but again, this is a powerful phone. Even in 2020, if you have one of these phones, this is a really powerful phone, and it's also a high-end premium flagship phone as well. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing of the iPhone 10. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.